What's the meaning of arabesque? Arabesque. Arabesque.
Arabesque. Arabesque. Arabesque is a term used to describe a style of decoration characterized by intricate and ornamental designs featuring geometric patterns, interlacing lines, and floral motifs. It is often associated with Islamic art and architecture, but has also been used in European decor. The designs are typically symmetrical and repetitive, creating a sense of rhythm and movement. Arabesque elements can be found in a variety of mediums, including tile work, textiles, and wood carving. Overall, the arabesque style emphasizes the beauty of complex, interconnected patterns and the skill of the artisans who create them.